So in this VN video editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit opacity here on VN video editor. So if I were to play my video right here, the opacity is normal. If you want to change that, go to the bottom, slide it all the way to the right to where it says opacity. So right beside blur and zoom, select opacity. Right now it's at 100, so you can't see through it whatsoever, but if you wanted to make it less and less, just like that, for example, you can go ahead and kind of play around with it. So if you were to play your video right here, it kind of looks the way that it does. Once again, you can go back to opacity. You can make it 100 so that it's completely non-see-through or more see-through by just sliding the scale just like that. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how you guys can edit opacity here on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.